on our way to Sam's. Today is their one-day sale, and we headed there. I'm thinking about getting a new phone. Yeah, because they got such a good deal on the phones today. You could get up to what is it, $650?
$400
for Samsung.
And then $250 for the trade-in.
That's Samsung. I don't have a Samsung. I think for iPhones,
$400 gift card and a $250 for a trade-in, up to $650 total.
up to $650 total. Oh, okay. But that's still good. $400 gift card. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave comments at the bottom. We up here. Hopefully I'm in frame. Let me adjust this. Okay, we at Sam's. We're doing the one-day sale at Sam's. And I didn't know, this is my first time ever doing the one-day sale. And I did not know you got to make an appointment just to buy the phones. I did not know that. That's right. You got to schedule an appointment, and then you come back, and then you get the phone and all of that stuff. I did not know this is how this operates. I literally thought that I was going to purchase my phone today and be done with this whole situation. I feel like they should tell you that in the pamphlet, let you know that, okay, this is a process and this is and that you're not going to get your phone or buy your phone today, and you got to come back. And of course they didn't have the one that I wanted. I actually wanted the black iPhone, but space gray is cool. Like I told y'all in the other vlog, I either wanted the black, black, space gray, or gold is fine for me. So yeah, I'm leaving my phone. No,
What is that?
This is a camera.
GoPro.
Is it? Yeah. But as I was saying, super nosy. I'm sitting here trying to record. She trying to be in the video. I'm trying to cover her ass so she won't be in my damn video. But okay, I'm gonna sit it right here so I can finish. So like I said, I could go to a different store and see if I could get on that list to get the black iPhone, but from what it's looking like everybody's going to be sold out because it's actually kind of packed in here, and they were scheduled. Their appointment goes all the way out until Wednesday. So I was able to get a Tuesday appointment at 10 o'clock to get this phone. So we're gonna see how that works. Hopefully I could get the phone that I want, and it's looking like it's going to be an extra $45 on my account, which sucks ass, but it is what it is, especially since Sprint now do this whole leasing thing. But one thing she did tell me is that you could do 3 payments, and then after that you could pay for the phone fully, which is, you know, I might try to do that depending on the total, but I think this phone is probably about between $1,500 and $2,000, which is extremely expensive. I'm trying to find a good place to sit this camera at, which is extremely expensive, but I decided to go with the iPhone 11 Pro. Let me see, what is it? Let me see. iPhone 11 Pro, I think, Pro Max. Yeah, iPhone 11 Pro Max, the 256 gigs. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how that go, because from what I'm understanding with the iPhone 11 Pro, it's only like $100 difference. So I figure I might as well just get the biggest one. Might as well. So we getting ready to do a little shopping, I guess. Damon, we finna do
a little shopping before we go out.
okay.
On the Minecraft road?
I don't think that's on sale though.
It is.
No, that's not. The rose is $20.
Oh.
Right there. Get these right here.
10, 20.
They always shrink.
8.
And those are, it's not a bad price. $7. You excited for that?
What? It's not for what?
New pajamas.
Yeah, oh,
Okay, we're gonna try some of these samples, y'all. Hello. What are you sampling?
This is oatmeal.
You want oatmeal, Diamond? We actually like this kind of oatmeal. Quaker. It's new or something? No, it's the same kind, just different box.
Well, you know, it's the cream. You probably use the brown sugar.
Oh no, I think I had cream before because that banana and cream one is real good. We done came to Sam's. Like I told y'all already know. Trying to find the deals.
Mom, do you like today's free samples?
Yeah, you didn't?
I did.
Okay, y'all, we in here. We eating all the samples today, for real. Because we did not eat no breakfast before we got here. So we super hungry. And I'm gonna try the steak. As soon as I find somewhere to sit this camera down. You want? I think we got everything we came here for, actually.
Yes. Now.
We're just walking and eating.
Yep.
I always come in here with a bottle of water. You have to. They have so many samples. You're playing yourself if you don't. Okay, yeah. Now we on our way into Total Wine. Cause I gotta get some stuff for the other channel. And guess what? Today is sample day. Hi. Okay, yeah. The camera was full, so I have to delete some stuff. Can I try the pumpkin spice one? Of course. So on my other channel, if y'all want to see the comparison with the Crown Apple versus the new Tennessee Jack Daniels, actually right here.
That's what I'm thinking, so. Yeah. Better than the buffet.
So I will be doing a taste test on those two. So that's the reason why I came here. We already got the Jack Daniel Apple, which is new out. I think it only been out for maybe a month. Ooh.
This is champion.
Ooh. Just imagine if we brought our dog.
Let's all say J. 3.
No, no.
What?
That dog huge. Shaking though. Look how big the face is on the dog.
Standard poodle.
No, ain't no standard poodle. Not with a big face like that, Damon. What kind of dog is this? Do you have?
He's a golden doodle.
A golden
Part
doodle.
golden
Okay.
retriever, part poodle.
Right.
All energy.
We most definitely been sampling today. This is Sample Saturday. Sample Saturday. We done went to Sam's. We are Total Wine. Our next stop is Costco's. Sample Saturday. Sample Saturday in full effect.
Yeah.
Say it again. Say it again. Sample Saturday, sample Saturday, sample Saturday, sample Saturday. Say it again, say it again. Sample Saturday, sample Saturday, sample Saturday.
Raise your hand if you
Costco.
like sample Saturday.
Costco.
You don't.
Right there.
I like cheeseburger.
Boundless wings.
You could just stop that whole thing into your mouth.
Yummy or yucky? That thing huge. How many patties? Wow. I almost forgot y'all. Maybe I should stick the knife back in. And put the onion rings back on it. Why not?
Too late. We're already baptized it.
Now you're acting. Now you're acting. Doing close-ups. Close-ups.
This is a big burger. Though.
I know, that thing huge.
I can barely bite it.
I know. That thing's big. Is it good? Or just a regular burger with it?
A regular burger.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom. Do y'all do Sample Saturdays?
Yay!
Yep.
Yep. All right, we'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.